Prime Minister Narendra Modi today reiterated his government's resolve to provide nutrition and health guarantees to all citizens of the country, interacting with beneficiaries of the Viksit Bharat Sankalp Yatra. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today released six commemorative postal stamps on Ram Janmabhoomi Mandir. The Cabinet Committee on Economic Affairs today approved a proposal for equity investments for setting up two thermal power plants. The government has invited suggestions on the draft Indian Standard 2023 from the public within 30 days. India beat Afghanistan in the third T20 international after two thrilling super overs in Bangalore last night, chasing 212 Afghanistan to